Okay, guys, Jay Smith back. Jack Nicklaus Perfect Golf is gone for SkyTrak, and you're like many of us. We're struggling to try to determine what we're going to do to replace Jack Nicklaus Perfect Golf. Apologize if you hear some snoring in the background. That's one of my bulldogs over there, JD. But just real quickly, I know you guys all probably have an understanding of this as well, but I'm on SkyTrak's website now and looking at what's available. If you're going to use an iOS platform such as an iPad, you've got iOS softwares. I'm going to be looking for PC plans for myself here personally, and I have jumped on a chat window here down in the bottom corner and asked some questions about E6 and Pro T and TGC, because as I think some of you have seen in other videos and some forums that I've been on recently, we do like to play a 2v2 scramble, so two-person scramble playing against another two-person in a scramble format, 4 total guys. And I was informed by SkyTrak that we do need to get into the more technical support group within SkyTrak itself, so they were able to provide me with that phone number, and as a result I'm going to call them and find out some answers to my questions. Some other things that I want to make sure we have is the opportunity to play PGA courses. I know some of these E6 and the TGC, they do have a limitation of like 15 to 20 courses. I believe you can buy an add-on subscription. I did recognize several of the courses, but there were a lot that I wasn't able to understand what they were. Maybe if they were user-created courses. But anyway, I'm going to get some more information on some of the questions and then hop back on here and get you guys an update. But just wanted to let you know, jump in here and you can do some looking around if you are like me, wanting to replace the Jack Nicklaus Perfect Golf. Unfortunately, some of the GS Pro testing that I've seen out there, they're not currently offering that for SkyTrak. So if you've been hearing that buzz, that is unfortunate. I tried to sign up to be a beta tester, but it's not compatible currently with SkyTrak. So hopefully SkyTrak can open that up as well. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for now and be back soon. Thanks.